Yes, it is. Good morning to you and welcome to We Are Austin. Happy Wednesday. I'm Trevor Scott.
And I'm Sierra Waggoner, and we are so thankful you guys have chosen to spend the next hour with us on We Are Austin.
Yeah, we are having a great time so far in the studio today, but it's about to get better. You may have noticed we have an extra special guest.
Little prop,
a
little
few
something.
of them, actually. The Lunar New Year is almost here, and you're invited to celebrate the Year of the Horse. By the way, horse present in the house right here. It's my year, you guys. This weekend at the Bullock's Museum's Free First Sunday.
We really can't rein in our excitement. Our friend Kristin from the Bullock and Alex from Texas Lion Dragon Dance Team are here with a sneak peek of what's on the schedule this Sunday. Good morning, you guys. This is incredible.
Hey,
we're so happy to have you.
Great to see y'all. Thanks for being here. Look at this. This is significant. I've seen these from afar, but I don't know that I've really ever seen kind of the craftsmanship of this up close. It's amazing. Alex, we're going to talk all about this here in just a minute. But first, Kristin, let's talk a little bit about Free First Sunday. Who is this event for? What is it?
Yeah, the first Sunday of every month, we have our HEB Free First Sunday. The museum has free admission all day from 10 to 5, and we have family activities from 10 to 2. Anyone can come. It's great for families. It's great for anyone, stuff for all ages. And we're so excited this month to be celebrating Lunar New Year. We have some fantastic partners, and we have our sister city from Japan who's joining us. We will also be having Lunar New Year crafts and story time with Austin Public Library, Girl Start activities, Math Happens. We'll be doing a lunar clock activity. And we're so excited to be having a live performance by the Texas Dragon Lion Dance Team.
Of course. How exciting. This is so cool. So this is going to be a big part of it. Like, I don't know how it works. Like, what's the, how does it
work, Alex?
Yeah, so this is what we call a lion here. So we do dragon and lion dancing. People get it mistaken pretty often, but he's made with paper mache. He's got a little bamboo frame inside, and he's made very commonly with fur. So what we typically do is we can start a few different ways. Sometimes we'll kind of salute into the actual performance itself. Sometimes we'll kind of parade in. It depends on kind of what our client wants and what the people are expecting. So we got two people.
I see.
They jump into one of these lions. I've kind of removed some of the parts. He's usually got a nice long tail. But you can see that you've got two people in there.
Yeah.
We've got one of our drums in the back, and then we have a gong, and then like a whole slew of cymbals to make that nice resonant music.
That is so cool.
Alex, this is incredible. I've seen this in movies, but never in real life for sure. Now tell me, where are you usually? Are you the head?
Yeah.
How do y'all decide who gets to be where?
Yeah, that's a good point. So we kind of let anyone play whatever they're interested in. If they want to be in the head, they can be in the head. If they want to be in the tail, they can be in the tail. If they kind of want to step back, observe the performance a little more, of course, they've got to still be engaged. You know, they can step back and slam like on those cymbals.
Yeah.
So we have people who are very musically talented, interested in doing things like the drums, and the gong. So we kind of just let our performers play whichever parts that they're interested in.
So cool. So what's your favorite part about kind of being able to be involved with free events like that at the Bullock, especially the chance to really kind of expose maybe people for the first time to this?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, that's the whole point.
Yeah.
Right? So as a nonprofit, part of our mission is to spread the culture of dragon and lion dancing. And so we very frequently provide fee waivers for our performances, for a lot of schools, public events, all those kinds of things, so that, we can just aim to spread like this thing. I mean, look at him, he's awesome.
It is awesome.
Yeah, so like it's just so rewarding being able to spread like lion dancing to people. Very frequently during Lunar New Year's, we'll go to like a lot of schools. We have a day that we go to a bunch of schools. It's called Cheong, February 20th.
Oh, nice. Keep
So
an eye out.
and we tell them, we give them a little story time about where kind of the myth of the lion dance comes from, and then we'll show it off to them. So kind of just, I don't know, I guess my favorite part is just seeing like the amazement.
Yeah.
Like people will be like, whoo, like, oh my God,
Yeah.
like, and then they'll see us do some of our stunts, and then there'll just be phones out all the time. There'll be people just like clapping and then whooping, and then it's just so rewarding. Feels good to, be acknowledged, and for people to really be exposed to such an ancient and important cultural art such as the lion dance.
Yeah, very cool. And then bravo to the Bullock for always making sure that people are exposed to great things. This is all happening for Free First Sunday for February, and a bunch of other stuff will take place. Remind people how they can kind of be a part of this.
Yeah, so you can visit our website at thestoryoftexas.com and kind of schedule your day. We have lots of things to do, especially this Free First Sunday.
This is very cool. Well, thanks y'all for being here. We appreciate it. Alex, thank you very much. We're going to have to see how this thing works.
course.
I can't wait.